All right, so I'm super excited. I got 2 packages in the mail this afternoon. It's about 2 o'clock over here in New York. And we're just gonna get right into it. We're gonna open it up, show you guys what we got. Open this smaller package first. I'm pretty sure I know what it is, but we're gonna share it with you. Something I found on Instagram, which I think is pretty special. So there we go. A lot bigger than I thought, but it's a double brass knuckle, solid brass. Let's see. Very nice. This is made by Bauwideman. I don't know really how to say that. Bauwideman. I think they sell it on monkeyedge.com, but I found a private buyer, I'm not going to share, who picked some of these up. They sell out really quick. They might have some now. I'm not sure. Well, yeah. Solid brass construction. Custom made. Very nice. Very heavy. This is about 9 ounces. I wish I had my scale right now to show you guys that. But it's heavier than this Recon, that's for sure. All right, let's jump into the next thing. This is from Blade HQ. And I just ordered this stuff the other day. I ordered two-day air. So I was excited when I saw these and I wanted to see them immediately. So we'll just start with the next one. So made in USA, bam, Medford. And I'm excited to see how this came out. Considering I hear there's a lot of variation on what I ordered and the specific blade style. Little dog tag, little jazz right there, a warranty card, stamped and signed, and we're not going to read that. What else we get in there? Let's see. Get a little business card. It's not my first Medford, so. And I think this is Mr. Medford's care package. He's changed that over the years. Got a little box, some foam in there. That's it. Well, let's open this up. I'm very, very excited to see this. I've been eyeing this for a little while. And bam. That is a 187 DP in Coyote Brown G10. I'm just going to put this down. There's something else in this little velvety bag. I just want to see what it is. It might just be some cushion. Yeah. It's a little cushion. I would think that, I guess, Blade HQ just opened this to check that it's all good. Let's get into this. So this is a Medford 187 DP in a Vulcan finish. And these vary so much, but you can definitely, you can see it is intricate and it is very refined and different from other blades. It's very cool. That's my first impression of that. You can see in the light just There's some pink in there. It's mostly silver, and it's just so cool. I don't know how they do it. I know they use like some sort of flaming process, or they don't finish it 100% of the way. I'm not really sure what they do. This is D2. Medford's D2 is CPM D2, and it's made in America. It's not Chinese, and I'm sure that it has a better edge retention, and it might be a little harder on the Rockwell scale, and I don't really know what I'm talking about, so I just know that it's made in America, and I appreciate that. Coyote Brown G10, really nice texturing on it. Beautiful texture. Very nice G10. Titanium Lockside. A clip. Lots of retention on there. Tons of retention. The knife feels decently sharp. Let's see. Can try it out on one of these pieces of paper, see if it's... No, I'm not going to cut that. We'll cut this. I have another one of these somewhere. Let's see. Thick blade stock. Good jimping. A knife hole. Similar to the Strider, a little smaller, a little more shape to the divot in your the meat of your thumb there. And let's just see if it's sharp. I don't think that it's very sharp, so I might have to sharpen this. It's not sharp at all. That's disappointing, but it's a knife. Very disappointing, honestly. That was allowed to leave the factory that dull, but we can test it on this box and see how that works, because paper is not always everything. It seems decent. It's a decent edge for cutting larger things. It clearly does not slice paper at all. Oh. Oh, got a little catch. That's not a big deal to me. I can sharpen this right away on a diamond stone and a Japanese whetstone. Overall, feels really nice. Nice frame lock. Let's see. Nice action. Frame lock super soft. Very nice. Feels much different than the other knives I have. This is their cheaper model, which is why I wanted to pick it up and see what's the big difference, you know. Anyways, it's super nice. Nice size. Nice action. See if I can spidey flick it. Beautiful. Lovely action. I can sharpen this up. I'll catch up with you guys on that later. Let's open the next knife. Let's get this out of the way. Okay. Cool. Let's open this next knife. This is something I saw on Instagram. It's a Viper knife, first Viper knife, so I'm really super stoked about this. Can't wait to show it to you guys. All right, let's see what we got. This feels pretty heavy. This might be heavier than the Medford. Who would have thought that? Got a bag, pretty flimsy box. Let's see what this is. Pretty basic guidelines on how to use a knife. Nobody needs that. And we have a Viper Italo in machined titanium and M390, which is awesome. Wire pocket clip. I was reading, they said, oh, this moves around. Okay, I'm not too worried about that. It's a flipper. Beautiful. Very, very nice. Very nice. Flipped open, gorgeous. I think there's a little oil residue on there from the factory. Pretty tight frame lock. Very nice machining. And I'm excited to have M390 in my collection. I want to try it out and see what it's all about. Flipper action. This is a Emerson Wave deal. Also acts as the thumb stud. M390 marked off. Let's see. Viper knives. Small insignia on the back. I believe that's the designer. Nice. Awesome. Good weight. This is much heavier than I expected it to be. And like I said, I'm going to catch up with you guys. I got some stuff I ordered from Amazon. So I ordered like a knife cutting mat, which I don't have currently. And I ordered a scale. So I want to kind of change the view, and I don't want to keep working off of this hard surface with my knives, so that I can definitely use the knife easier and have a little more dignifiable situation where I show you guys the measurements, the weight, and just overall just like a more professional look. Although I am kind of an avant-garde kind of guy, and it's all good. So this is a Bawidaman Doughboy 2 brass, solid brass. They say it's about 9 ounces or 8 ounces, give or take. We have the Medford 187 DP in a Vulcan Blade D2 finish, brown coyote, titanium side, frame lock side, and a Viper Italo. Whoa, oops, that hit my tripod. I'm gonna clean this up. Let's see if this is sharp. And then I'm gonna get out of here, guys. Just pick my son up from school, gotta feed him. Let's see how this is compared to the Medford. Very sad. Doesn't feel bad. Feels very sharp. It's not. Well, guys, definitely gonna have to sharpen these two knives. That aspect is disappointing, but I am happy to get these into the collection and start using them and give you guys a full review of what I really think. Thanks for joining. See you soon.